To get more video, please subscribe the channel. Today we discuss about the next practice set of the second chapter real numbers. Now the practice set 2.3 is, the first question is, state the order of the surd given below. Now some surds are given, we have to write its order. Such type of question can be asked in our examination for 1 marks. Now here is cube root of 7. So the order of given surd is, here is, in this is the order, so that is 3. Now look here, for this is 5, the coefficient of this surd in root of 12, means that the order of given surd is, here is, order is 2. Then here is, look carefully, 4th root of 10, means that the order is 4. The order of given surd is how much? 4. Similarly, here is root of 39, means that order is 2. So, the order of given surd is 2. Here is cube root of 18, means that order is 3. So, the order of given surd is how much? 3. Okay, now we take the next question, question second. Okay, the next question is, question second, state which of the following are surds justified. म्हणजे खालीलपैकी कोणते surds आहे हे justification करायचे. Student, all of you know that when the given number is surd, if its radicand is positive rational number and n is greater than 1, then it is a surd. Otherwise, it is not a surd. So that, look carefully, here is, we take one by one question here. The first one is cube root of 51. Now student, answer of such question is here. Cube root of 51 is a surd because now this n means that 3 is greater than 1 and this radicand is a positive rational number. So that it is surd. It is a surd. Because the radicand is positive rational number. Positive rational number and order of the surd is n which is greater than 1, so that it is a surd. Okay, we take the second one. Second, 4th root of 16. Okay student, we have to solve this question here. Now answer of this question is, answer 4th root of 16 is equals to, this is the 2 raised to 4, means that 4 power of the 2, means that I have to write here 16, this I have to write 1 upon 4, this radicand side, the order we have to write as 1 upon 4, then we write 2 raised to 4 into 1 upon 4, this 2 raised to 4 into 1 upon 4, we get 4 get cancelled, mean we get 2. 2 is a rational number, not an irrational number, so that this is not a surd. Now here I have to write here is 2, so here write here 4th root of 16 is not surd because 2 is not an irrational number. Or number. Okay, then we take the third one is cube root of 81. Answer of it. This is, look here, this is the power of 3 raised to 5. Here its order is 3. Means that 81 is the positive number here, which is the rational number, and n is greater than 1, so that it is a surd. So I have to write here it is a surd because the radicand is positive rational number. Positive rational number and order of the surd is n, which is greater than 1. Then next one is 256. Root of 256. Student, when we solve this, we get that it is the square of 16. So I have to write here this is 16 square, and this radical sign become 1 upon 2. Means that again I have to write 16 raised to 2 into 1 upon 2. Means that how much? 16, which is a rational number. So that means that which is not a irrational number, means that this is not a surd. Therefore, root 256 is not surd because 16 is not irrational number. Then we take next one is question number 5. Is cube root of 64? Cube root of 64. Student, look carefully. This question number 5 is, this is the cube of 4 cube. So that first we solve this, we get cube root of 64 is equals to 64 raised to 1 upon 3 is equals to 4 cube raised to 1 upon 3 is equals to 4 cube into 1 upon 3 is equals to how much? 4, which is a not irrational number. Means that this is also not surd. Therefore cube root of 64 is not surd because 4 is not irrational number. Then last one is root of 22 upon 7. Now here is order is 2, which is greater than 1, and 22 upon 7 is positive rational number, so that it is a surd here. So the answer is it is surd because the radicand is positive rational number. Positive rational number, and the order of surd is n, which is greater than 1. Okay, can you understand this? We take the next question. Question 3 is, classify the given pair of the surd into like surd and unlike surd. Now student, when two surds are like, if the order is equal and the radicand is equal, then the surds are like. So first I will write the statement here. In this surd, if the order is equal and the radicand equal, then it is a surd. Mean that then this is like surd. So first I have take here for two surds. For two surds to be like surds if order should be equal and radicand are equal, then these two sets are like set. Now then what? We take one by one here. First one is root of 52 and 5 root of 13. Now answer of this one is, first I have taken root of 52. Student, for this root of 52, I have to factorize this 52 is 4 into 13. Then it becomes 2 root of 13. So observe carefully. The next is 5 root of 13 and 2 root of 13. Here is order is same. Order is 2 and radicand is also same. Means that 30. Means that here order is also equal and radicand is also equal. Therefore 2 root of 13 and 5 root of 13 are like sets. Can you understand this? Okay, we take the next one is second one is root of 68 and 5 root of 30. Now student, I have to factorize this root of 68. 68 is the product of here is 4 into 17. 17 4 is 68. We take the square root of this, means that 2 root of 17. Student, look carefully. This is 2 root of 17 and here is 5 root of 3. Here is order is equal, but radicand is not equal. So that it is not a like set, means that they are unlike sets. So I have to write here 2 root of 17 and 5 root of 3 have their order is equal, but radicands are different. Therefore 2 root of 17 and 5 root of 3 are unlike sets. Okay, then we take the next one is third one is 4th root of 18 and 7 root of 2. Now here we take here first one is 4th root of 18. Now we factorize this root of 18. 9 into 2. Then we write this one is 4 into square root of 9 is 3 into root of 2. Means that 12 root of 2. Observe carefully. 7 root 2 and 12 root of 2. Here is order is equal and radicand is also equal. Therefore this is a like set. So I have to write here, therefore 12 root of 2 and 7 root of 2 are like sets. Then next question. Sub question is 4. 19 root 12 and 6 root 3. Now student, we have to factorize this root of 12. So 19 into this is 4 3s are. Okay. Then 19 into 2 root of 3. 19 2s are 38 root of 3. Look here. 6 root 3 and 38 root 3. Order is same and radicand is also same. Therefore 38 root 3 and 6 root 3 are like sets. Then we take next one is sub question 5 is 5th root of 22 and 7 root of 33. Now student, when you observe carefully, here is 11 into 2, we cannot find out the square root of any one of them. Here is also 11 into 3, we cannot find out the square root of any one of them. Here is order is same here too, but radicands are different. Here answer I will write here. Here order is equal, but radicands are different. Therefore, fifth root of 22 and seventh root of 33 are unlike. Sirs. Then we take sixth number. 5 root of 5 and root of 75. Student, here is we cannot factorize. Here is you have to factorize of this root of 75 is equals to 25 into 3, means that 5 root of 3. Observe carefully. 5 root of 5 and 5 root of 3. Here is radicand is not equal, but order is equal. So that this is also unlike such. So here we write here order is equal, but radicand are different. Therefore, 5 root 5 and 5 root 3 are unlike. Sirs, can you understand this? Okay, we see the next question. Question number 4. Simplify the following, sirs. The first one is root of 27. So simple one, we take one by one here. Root of 27. Answer of this one is, I have to factorize this 27 such a way that 9 3s are. 9 3s are, taking square root of 9 is 3 and root of 3. This is the simplification of this root of 27. 3 root 3. Then second one is root of 50. Again we have to factorize this 50 such a way that root of 50 is equals to 25 2s are. Means that 5 root of 2. Then third one is root of 250. This is also simple one is, we have to factorize this 250 such a way that 25 into how much? 10. Means that 5 root of 10. This is the simplification of this one. Then fourth one is root of 112. Answer of it is, this 112 is simplified by using 16 sevens are 112. Then we have to find out square root of it, means that 4 root of how much? 7. Then the last one is root of how much? 168. Now student, here is 6 and 8, we can divide it by 4. So I have to simplify this such a way that answer of it is, in root of 168, we have to simplify by using 4, so that 4 into 4, 4s are 4 2s are. If you again simplify this 42, it becomes 21 2s are. But we cannot find out the factors or square root of the 21s and 2, so that this is the factor here. So when we find out the square root of 4 is 2, and we cannot find out square root of 42, so that this is the simple form of root of 168. Can you understand this? We see the next question. Question number 5. Compare the pairs of such. Now, first example is 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. Now here answer of this question is, now first I have to write this 7 root 2 such a way that this 7 means that root of 49 into root of 2. Then we have to write its product, 49 into 2 is equals to root of how much? 98. Then next one is 5 root 3. We write this 5 is root of 25 into root 3. Means that this value becomes 25 into 3 is equals to root of how much? 75. Now here, when we observe carefully, root of 98 and root of 75. Here is root of 98 is greater than root of how much? 75. Therefore 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. Can you understand this? Okay, we take the next one. Second answer of it. Here is order of these two surds is same. Here the order is equal. Here the order of surds are equal. Therefore, we have to compare its radicand, mean that 247 and 274. Which is greater here? 274 is greater than 247. Mean that therefore, root of 247 is less than root of how much? 274. Then we take the next one, third one. Answer of this one is, here is 2 root of 7. I will write this one is root of 4 into root of 7. Means that root of 4 into 7 is equals to root of 28. And also given here root of 28 means that this root of 28 is equals to root of how much? 28. Means that these two are equal. Means therefore 2 root of 7 is equals to root of how much? 28. Can you understand this? We take the next examples. So question number 4, 5 root of 5 and 7 root of 12. Answer is, now 5 root of 5, we write here this 5 is root of 25 into this 5. Mean that root of 25 into 5 is equals to root of 125. Then 7 root of 2 is equals to, this one is the 49 into root of 2 is equals to root of 49 into 2 is equals to root of 98. Student, when we compare this root of 125 and root of 98, order is same, so the radicand, this is the greater than this one, so that this radicand is more than this root of 98. Correspondence of it is 5 root of 5 is greater than, this one is 7 root of 2. Then next one is 4th root of 42 and 9 root of 2. Here is 4th root of 42. First I will write this 4 means 16 into root of 42. Then it becomes root of 16 into 42 is equals to root of 16 2s are 32 carries 3. 16 4s are 64 plus 3. 64 plus 3 is 67. Then 9 root of 2 is equals to root of 81 into 2. Root of 2 is equals to root of 81 into 2 is equals to root of 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 60. Means student, when we observe carefully, 672 root of, and this is 162. This one is the greater here, so that correspondence of it, 4th root of 42 is greater than 9 root of 2. Then we take next one is 5 root of 3. We write here 5 is 25 into root of 3. Then it becomes 25 into 3 root of, then root of 75. Then this one is the 9 is equals to root of how much? 81. Therefore, when we observe carefully, root of 75 and root of 81, 81 is greater than root of 75. So that the correspondence is 5 root of 3 is less than, here is 9. Can you understand? There is one question is remaining, you have to solve at